Welcome back, guys. This is ChubbyPopChaser. I got my Smugglers Bounty box in. Gonna unbox it for you guys, so you guys should check it out. Most of you probably saw the sneak preview that Funko did themselves, but just in case, boom, I'll do it for you. Why? Because I'm better looking. Boom, seal. Boom, open it up. Boom. We got a t-shirt. And for you guys out there, it's a 3X large t-shirt. So if you guys want it, drop me a note for you big guys out there, because I don't really wear t-shirts anymore. So I'll send it to you. So first one served. First come, first served. That's what I'm looking for. Not a bad t-shirt. A little Kylo looking at Vader's helmet. I would take it out, but I won't be able to fold it and put it back in. So we got that. They got a straw. It's like a lightsaber straw. No, it's just a straw. Oh, I know why, because it comes with this. Let's see. This is pretty cool. Nice Darth Vader mug, cup. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I might use it for hot days. This is one of those tumblers that keep it hot, keep it cold. Looks like it. That's a good one. Good job there, Funko. Good job. That's a good one. Here's Count Dooku bobblehead. Boom. I like this one compared to the ones I've seen online, because looks like his lightsaber is actually pretty straight. There's a lot of ones I saw that his lightsaber is like all crooked, and who doesn't like it when their saber's not straight? You gotta keep your saber straight, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, looks pretty cool. Bobblehead. I don't know why. What makes them decide what's gonna be a bobblehead or just a vinyl figure? People still out there like collect bobbleheads? Put this back. And then Darth Maul mini mystery mini, but it's not really a mystery because it's Darth Maul. So not really much of a mystery. But let's open it up for you guys. Check it out. It's not really a mystery. Why they put it in the bag? Unless there's like a special edition one. Oh, nope. Same one. Same one like everything else. Pretty cool looking though. Check them out. Boom. Wish Darth Maul had better, lasted like 2 movies at least. Come on, you put him in one movie and kill him right away. Cut him in half. What's up with that? And then you put him in a cartoon, bring him back, and then you kill him again. I think they have something against Darth Maul. That's what I'm thinking. But anyway, this was the Smuggler's Bounty, Star Wars edition. Well, Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty. This was the Sith theme. Count Dooku t-shirt. Like I said, t-shirts out available if you guys want. Just smash it in there for me. Tell me all about it. Why you want it. Why does? Oh, look, check it out. I forgot. Didn't see that. Forgot. There's a pin. Whoa. Pretty nice pin, too. Check out the pin. Little Darth Vader pin action there. Did I miss anything else? Nope, no, I don't. Pretty cool. I like it. I like the lightsaber straw, though. So, you are going to hit that like button. And you will subscribe. See you later.